Ah, squeaky clean, just like my new listing. Let's go check it out. Let's go get a clear view of your new home. This single-story home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. A nice-sized laundry room and a flex space. This living room flows right into this light and bright kitchen. No scrubbing necessary here. It's fully equipped and ready to host your next gathering. Step into this expansive primary suite. This backyard is a great space with the extended patio. So there you have it, all squeaky clean and ready to move in. If you'd like more information, please give me a call.